Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make some high protein spinach and paneer ravioli. As you're all aware, ravioli is an Italian dish, but I'm going to give it some different flavors. I'm going to serve it with mint sauce. If you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with any friends and family who may find it useful. Thank you.
The ingredients required for the high protein, low fat spinach and paneer ravioli with spinach, mint, and garlic sauce are We'll start by making the paneer at home. Paneer is an Indian cheese very similar to ricotta cheese. To make it, boil 1 liter full fat milk in a pan. When it comes to a boil, add half a teaspoon of lemon salt. Stir to see if the milk has curdled. If it hasn't, you can add further as required. Once the milk is fully curdled, turn off the flame and strain it through a muslin cloth as shown in the video. Once you have emptied all of it in the muslin cloth, fold up the muslin in your hand and squeeze out as much of the whey as possible. Then put it in the refrigerator over a strainer to drain more of the whey out for a few hours. Collect the whey in a bottle and don't throw it off. It can be used to knead dough or make rice. After a few hours in the refrigerator, you can see the paneer is well made. Now you can use it to make the ravioli filling. Take plain flour and soybean flour in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil and salt. Mix it all well together. Break an egg in the center and beat it well. Gradually fold in the flour mixture with the egg. Add a little milk as required and mix it well. Then knead it to form a soft dough. You will need to use your hands to do that, as shown. Once a soft dough is formed, add half a teaspoon of oil and roll the dough in the oil to cover it completely, as shown. This acts as a cling film and protects it from drying. Cover and keep aside for half an hour. Take 1 bundle of spinach, wash and separate the leaves and put it in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave it on full power for 4 minutes. After that, it should be blanched. Chop it very finely in an electric chopper or manually. Finely chop 1 onion, 1 green chili and 2 cloves of garlic in an electric chopper. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic and green chili and saute till the onions turn translucent. Add salt followed by the spinach leaves and saute till the juices all evaporate. Crumble the paneer and add it to it. Mix well and saute for a couple of minutes and then turn off the flame. Allow the filling to cool down and once cool enough to handle, roll it into tiny balls which will help you to easily fill the ravioli. Knead the dough after it has rested again. Take a portion of it in your palm and roll it into a round flattened shape. Place it on a floored rolling board. Roll it out very thinly as shown. Take a ravioli mold and use the back portion of it to cut it into round shapes as shown. Repeat the process with the rest of the rolled dough. Then take a cut portion of it and put it on the ravioli mold. Put some filling in the center, moisten the edges and press it to get the ravioli. Another way to make the ravioli is to take the dough and roll it into flat shape as shown. Cut it into square pieces as shown. When you do that and separate them out, the dough could retract. If so, roll on it to make it thin again. You can also stretch on it with your hands to make it thin. Put the ravioli filling in the center, moisten the edges and fold the mold as shown. The extra portion of the dough will be cut out and you can remove and use it later again for further ravioli. Repeat the process till you are finished with the rest of the dough and filling. Any leftover dough can be rolled into a flattened shape and cut into pieces and made into pasta as shown. Once you have prepared a batch of ravioli, start boiling them. Do that, heat water in a pan, and when it comes to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of oil and then add the ravioli one at a time as shown to prevent it from sticking. While the ravioli is boiling, you can prepare the next batch of ravioli if you wish. Once they all come to the surface, turn them over and cook on the other side. When cooked on both sides, remove them onto a plate by draining the water as shown. Then boil the next batch of ravioli by again putting the ravioli one at a time in the boiling water and repeat all the steps. Once you have finished boiling all the ravioli that you have folded, you can start making the sauce for the ravioli. The sauce I'm going to prepare for this ravioli is white sauce with spinach with mint and garlic flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add 3 heaped tablespoons of blend flour and saute till the rawness disappears. The color of the flour does not need to change. Then add milk little at a time with continuous stirring. As I've used so little oil for making the white sauce, it will form lumps. Do not worry, that can be sorted by putting it in the mixer and grinding it as shown. Pour the white sauce back into the pan. You can see how it has become smooth after grinding it. Now grind the blanched spinach and the mint leaves. If you like it spicier, you can add 1 to 2 chilies. Heat the pan with the white sauce with continuous stirring. You can see how it has become smooth and creamy even though we've used less fat and no cheese. Now add the pureed spinach and mint mixture. Mix well. You do not need to boil it further as the mint will lose its flavor. Add salt as per taste and then add the ravioli. Mix well and turn off the flame. Squeeze some lemon into it as per taste. Transfer to a serving bowl and enjoy the delicious and healthy ravioli.